You want to know about small businesses, people who are doing like small petty jobs. How should they file? Should they report their income? I'll tell you that it is so important at every point of your life, whatever you do, that you report your income. And the reason being that once you don't report an income, you're being looked upon as someone who is depending on the government for support. And what that does for you is that whenever there is something, for example, if you're somebody out there, I know some people who are trying to get like their citizenship, they're trying to get their documents with the government. One of the things that the United States government wants to note is that you are not a dependent on the government. The only way for you to show that you don't depend on the government is your tax return. So it is so important for you to show those who are assessing your status that you are not a charge to the United States. You are somebody who is contributing to that economy, regardless of where you are, whether you are working as a nanny, whatever you're doing, that contributes to the national output of the United States. Basically, it is absolutely important that you report your income. Secondly, you have to file taxes on worldwide income. If you are a US resident, you make money in the United States, you are required by law to file taxes. If you don't, then nobody knows what you have done, then that's okay, you can get away with it. But if the government realizes that you did not pay, you made an income and you did not report it, guess what? It is a jail sentence. You can go to jail because it is called tax evasion, and that is a crime. You don't want to be in that situation where you are regarded as someone who is evading taxes. And that brings me to something else. The difference between tax evasion and tax avoidance. Most people, the only reason they don't want to report their taxes is because some tax preparer had told them that if you report it, you're going to pay taxes. If you don't report it, you're going to go to jail. So tax evasion is a crime. Tax avoidance, for you to use, there are so many tools out there through tax planning that you can use to reduce your tax bill, to even avoid tax altogether. But you have to meet and work with those people who understand the tax laws. 90% of the people who do taxes out there, they don't understand tax laws. And that's why they can tell you that don't report your income, because that's the only way they know not to make you pay taxes. But if you meet the right people, there are so many incentives for small business people who are making some money to be able to get even a refund. Let me give you an example. If you are single in America and you made less than $12,800 in taxes, in income, somebody tells you don't report it, you just missed on something they call earned income credit, because you are not even required to pay any taxes. If you made less than $12,800, you are not required to pay any taxes. But what that gives you, it gives you access to other credits because you made an earned income. So it is important that you put your taxes together regardless of where you stand.